The FLA, like all other departments in the ministry, are going through a process of modernization to make them fully equipped with the requisite technology and the structures to manage security apparatus in the 21st century. So in fact, they have acquired some bullet tracks machine to track both the casing and the warhead necessary. More critically, they have acquired a laser engraving machine, which means from now on, every licensed firearm in Jamaica will have a ID installed by laser, which means wherever it is found, we can know who was the original owner, who brought it in, and that it is in fact a licensed firearm in Jamaica. So the laser ID is a critical part of the FLA's tools to manage the firearm industry in Jamaica.
We have also acquired data concentrators to improve the database and the network, the processing time for all our systems. That has vastly assisted us in terms of the timeline in which we are able to process from the application to the testing of firearms. And it must be noted that all ballistic testing of firearms are uploaded immediately to the forensic unit. It's a joint venture program between the Ministry of National Security and the Inter-American Development Bank. The FLA was allocated $400,000 in terms of to improve the infrastructure.
It's critical that the authority is well resourced. And by resource, we're looking at the human resource, the human capacity. And you can see where they're actually doing tremendous work in ensure that we have the requisite skill set in the authority to take on the tasks that is actually required to satisfy its mandate. Also important in this regard is for the authority to best leverage technology, because that is going to make a vast difference. The more you can actually move away from much of the human element to actually limit opportunities for possible corruption and so on, and enhance efficiency. That is what the technology will actually do.
So it's important that the Firearms Licensing Authority have a strong and robust system of accounting for the licensed firearms in the country.
We currently receive an average of 3,000 firearms applications per month. And once the application comes in, we have a turnaround time of between 6 months to a year to complete the process, which takes it through the application, the interview. We have improved our processes in terms of the investigation. We have automated the process. So we have now online tracking. So persons who drop off their application are immediately informed of their unique ID number to track the application online, and the system also sends an email to the applicant each time there's an update on your application. An email is received and you can go online to track the processes. So there's no need to call the FLA or to find anyone to assist you. You go online and the application process from the start to the finish is done online. And so we continue to improve the processes and the system to ensure that as fast as possible, applicants are told whether they are denied, deferred, or approved for a license.
FLA is moving in the right direction to create the kind of modern face that we require for the entire security system in Jamaica.